Let's start. Today we will see a useful function in the TradingView Pine script, called %rank. The %rank function tells us that, how many percentage of previous candles' prices were lower than the current candle price. You will understand this in detail when we see the actual indicator. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name, %rank. First, we take a user input for the length, which we will use for the %rank function. The default value is 5. Then, we call the %rank function. The first argument of this function is the source value. We have passed close as the source. And the second argument is the length. So this function will check how many candle closing prices among the last 5 candles are lower than the current price. This result will be in the form of a percentage. And finally, we show this percentage result in a label. Now, let's add this indicator to the chart. Right now, I'm on the Bitcoin daily timeframe chart. The input value of the indicator is 5. So this indicator will check how many candles are lower than the current candles in the last 5 candles. So as you can see, this red candle is the current candle. Let's count manually how many candles among the last 5 candles are lower than the current price. So now, this green candle is the first candle behind the current candle. And this candle's close is greater than the current candle's close. Next, this red candle is the second candle from the current candle. And this candle's close is lesser than the current candle's close. Next, this red candle is the third candle from the current candle. And this candle's close is lesser than the current candle's close. Next, these 2 red candles are the fourth and fifth candles from the current candle. And both the candles are lower than the current candle price. So the conclusion is that, 4 out of the last 5 candles are lower than the current candle price. Only this one green candle is higher than the current candle. So let's calculate the result manually. 4 out of 5 candles are lower than the current candle, that means, 4 divided by 5. And multiplied by 100. So the result is 80%. So 80% of the previous 5 candles are lower than the current candle. And that is exactly what our %rank indicator is showing. Let's see some other examples. Right now I'm on the Bitcoin 1-minute chart. And only 20% of the candles among the last 5 candles are lower than the current candle. 20% of 5 is 1. And we can verify that, only this red candle is lower than the current green candle. Rest all the previous 4 candle closes are higher than the current candle close value. So this 20% result is correct. Let's see one more example. Now, I have set the input value as 50. And the indicator tells that, 64% of the previous 50 candles were lower than the current candle. So that's it. That's how you can use the %rank function in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.